Um, Hello, everyone. This is Ricky. I'm the co-founder of MYKEY Lab. I'm very happy to join EDCON to share what we are working on. Today, my topic is smart wallet, blockchain to mass adoption. First, let me introduce something about us. My team are very early and long-term engaged in blockchain technology. We have deep relationship with Ethereum. Our founder, Mr. Guru, who translated the Ethereum white paper into Chinese in 2014, and he helps build up the Ethereum community in China in very early stage. MYKEY's vision is to lower the barrier for using blockchain for average people. Before we start, first let's look into some data. As you know, DeFi market increased crazy in recent months. So many interesting things, AMM, liquidity mining, things happened in past weeks. The total value locked in Ethereum DeFi is meet 5 billion years a day. But after I compare the data with the market cap of the Tesla, I think DeFi market is so small. So that's why we think blockchains do not go to mass adoption. I often got a lot of questions like, Ricky, how long time the blockchain will go mass adoption? What time even my grandpa can also use the blockchain applications? Blockchain is in today, it is, I think it's too complicated for people to understand and to use it. For example, I must tell my mother, please remember and write down the private key. If you lost, the assets will disappear. My mother asked me curiously, what is private key? It's a good question. My answer may be the private key is a very, very super long, unformatted password and cannot be reset. Holy shit, it's not holy grail. So the complication of the key management of blockchain is the first barrier for mass adoption. Second, the barrier is user have too much things to learn. We have many different chains, public chains, different consensus, POW, POS. Some of them is fee-based, like Ethereum. You must have Ethereum to transfer ERC20 token. And some of them is a resource stake module. Some of them use hash style address, which cannot be remembered. So we need a solution to help user little to learn the backend of the blockchain terrible technologies. We shouldn't tell driver how to build a car. Thirdly, everything can be mass adoption should be very cheap and free to use. And use internet as example, and user can use free service from Google, Facebook, but those companies can still get large revenues from their business. This business model also can be copied into blockchain industry with mass adoption coming. So I think not until those 3 points are met at the same time, the mass adoption will never come. So for solve those problems, we launched KeyID protocol and MYKEY in last August. It comprised the 5 features. The first is the smart contract-based account control, and the second is separate account authorities. And the third is trustless recovery mechanism. The fourth is network credit module. The fifth is the uniform identity on multiple chains. We think in the future, the blockchain is based on multiple chains. Yes, different applications on different public chains. So KeyID is the protocol, is a suitable account mechanism can be deployed on different smart contract compatible blockchains. In my key account, there's 2 types of keys, admin key and operation keys. The main key cannot do any specific operations on users' assets. It can only be used to manage operations like reset, freeze, activate with time lock mechanism. The operation keys are one-time generated in the user's device randomly. Operation keys never left from the device. They are used to size the transactions like transfer token use steps. For user, the most benefit for this mechanism is the lower the risk on private key leak by mistake and imported by other guys to grab all the assets. We implemented different types recovery mechanism in different situations and use case. When user make a mistake like lost device, forget password, come across the accident, we can help recover the account in different criteria and different time lock. MYKEY officially launched in last August with its first public chain US. By now, we are the only one multiple chain smart wallet in the world. Our user base increased very fast, 200,000 users totally. It is also the largest user base smart wallet, we think. After we launched the Ethereum part, we launched KID smart contract on Ethereum on this February, and we already have more than 20,000 users on Ethereum right now. Every functionality we designed in MYKEY is for average people. It is a very easy blockchain portal. Now, let me do some demo for every audience. Yeah, when we enter MYKEY applications, there's a main page. This main page is for user most frequency usage. They can buy the token and the sell token by fiat. We also implemented the centralized and decentralized swap. It can get the best liquidity from any other broker. Like we can just exchange USDT into Ethereum through Binance with barbar fee and in some limit time. And also we have the multiple chain asset management. We currently support Ethereum and the US public chain with the KID protocol. And we also support non-smart contract chain like BTC with the decentralized private key to signature the centralized custody service. And we also implemented many popular DeFi projects into MYKEY. We refine their user interface and provide the very easy management and portfolio management to end users. And we also have the network fee module. Every transaction is consumed the network fee. User can top up with different crypto, and this network fee is calculated by US dollars. And we also have the open depth browsers. It is supported in different chains applications, and we can easily access Uniswap. Very easy to transfer from one token to other. Yeah, that's what we are working on. I almost complete my presentation, and if you are interested in MYKEY, you can directly access mykey.org, and you can also contact me, Ricky at mykey.org, and hope every developer and team can go with us and build the blockchain better and to make the blockchain go to mass adoption. Thank you.